This is a sandwich making class where you will learn new recipes for sandwich toasts using cheese. Be it for breakfast, lunch, or snack, the recipes that you will get from this course will fit your needs for a delicious sandwich toast. The recipes are like no other, so it's going to be a surprising taste for sandwiches if you make the recipes taught in this class at home. Sandwich toasts are a delicious breakfast choice. It may not be as easy to prepare as your bowl of cereals, but it's nice to have a more fulfilling breakfast before you start the activities of the day. Everyone is invited to take this course. Home chefs, busy moms and dads, students, or even those who are just looking for a different kind of breakfast experience. It would be great if students could try the recipes at home. At the end of this course, you'll have more options for your sandwich toasts. A lot of ingredients can be added to your sandwiches. You don't need to stick with what you already know. Prepare your kitchen tools. Preheat your sandwich maker now and start toasting your first sandwich toast learned from this course. Happy cooking!